then kill the polytheists. This is proper Al-Qaeda material.
Yeah.
Who became Muslims?
Those non-Muslims became Muslims.
Show me an evidence where those non-Muslims became Muslims. Excuse me,
That
sir.
anyone was killed.
Show, please
It
listen.
does not show that anyone was killed.
Also, the machete gang would roam around with the machetes, and I should think they are there selling ice creams. Yeah, but please, we need some help. You're a Muslim, sir.
No Muslim will help you with this.
No. They may have read. You seem not to have read the Quran. You have not read the Quran, yeah?
She read it.
You haven't read the Quran.
سورة الجن.
I ask you.
وأن المساجد لله فلا تدعوا مع الله أحدا.
Who owned Masjid al-Haram?
No person owns Masjid al-Haram except Allah. You're very disrespectful.
I
You
am
hear?
spreading
Yes,
it.
everyone
Yes.
saw you here.
Exactly.
Yes.
Everyone saw you here.
You are pushing my mic. You are spreading it. You are the only one who is hateful right now in this interaction. This is the level of gaslighting. I am politely speaking to him. He slaps my microphone away.
You're not
And then he
speaking.
says, I am
not-
spreading hate. Can you imagine the level?
You're spitting.
It wasn't on your face.
No, you're.
No, don't. If
You're
you're terrified, please cover your face
No,
and
no.
move it.
No.
I am an idiot.
Yes.
You're.
This is the respect you have for me.
You're spitting
Where are you from? Are
nonsense.
you visiting the UK?
Doesn't matter where I'm from.
No, it does matter because in the UK we have a basic level of quality. Are you from the UK?
From the UK.
You don't even have that base of quality. No, you don't.
Don't
You
be.
don't.
He's advising you to stay away. Please stay away from
No,
the
no, you don't. You don't even have that base of
How
quality.
many
If you were
Muslims
somewhere else, you will get
can
slapped. That's
answer
all you will
my
happen.
simple question? If you know English, please step forward and answer my simple question. Who owned Masjid al-Haram
Allah.
at the time
Allah.
of the origin?
Allah.
I understand this is your delusion,
Allah.
but in terms of evidence,
See,
who owned
You're just
Masjid
standing,
al-Haram?
you're just standing here saying that we're delusional.
Look
Do you
at the
think that's
delusion.
respectful?
No, you're delusional.
Masjid al-Haram.
You're just standing here saying that we're delusional. Do you think?
sure. Don't-
do you think
don't
that's
insult me.
respectful? No,
Please.
you're insulting our
Don't-
whole religion.
I
You're
didn't-
just spitting
Right now, let me
spitting
speak.
nonsense. Wallah al-azim, you're spitting
Don't
nonsense.
insult me.
I'm not insulting you. You're insulting our whole religion. You insulted
Thank you.
all of us here.
Hey. Hey, wow. Is that gentleman related to you? Did I touch you?
I'm speaking to her.
Did I even come near you?
You're
Did I even come near you?
It's not your business, Carl.
Did I even come near you?
Stop putting your mic in.
No, my dear friend, did I even come near you?
You're coming near all of us.
Did I come near you?
Carl.
Did I come in a way to touch you? Why are these guys always? Why? Look at these. Hey, look at these sex. Look at these sex maniacs. Look at these sex maniacs.
No.
The moment
No.
a lady speaks to a gentleman, to the sex maniac,
What is your evidence?
all that comes to their
What
mind
is your evidence?
is Rotherham stuff.
What?
That's what comes to their mind.
Just stand here, be spitting nonsense. Yeah,
A
please look it up.
Muslim man,
From-
a Muslim woman,
From a reliable
speaks to a
source, please.
Christian man,
From a reliable
in their
source.
mind already
please
it
do.
is clear. Sex.
من الإسلام قاعد نعرف
Because you can spell Islam in a few different ways. One way you can spell Islam is through two words. Sex, S-E-X, cult. That's one way of spelling it. And so anytime I speak to a lady, that guy clearly has some bad ideas about this lady. Clearly. And he is thinking everyone else is like him. Look at him. Look at him. He is thinking everyone else is like him. I am a Christian, sir. I am not a Muslim.
Are you brave enough?
If you have bad
Are you
ideas,
brave enough to have a
don't
conversation?
come near me. Don't come.
Ah, you
You
say,
touch
you
me.
say, you say.
Touch me.
You're coming to me. You touch me. Don't come into my personal space.
Do not fucking push me.
Don't come into my personal space.
Fucking push
Bro,
me.
bro,
Come into my
Do
personal
not
space.
fucking push me.
Don't come into my personal
push
space.
me.
You're
You're
come into my personal space.
You're embarrassing
You
Allah.
come into my
You're
personal
embarrassing
space.
Allah.
You come into my
You do
personal
nothing.
space.
Move now.
You come into my
Get out of the
personal
way.
space.
Get out of the way. I just
Come
told
into
you,
my
move
personal
now.
space.
Do as you're told.
Wallah, coward.
You come into my personal space.
You can never be a brave man, you know. I swear you can never be.
We're talking, we're not
You can never
fighting.
be a brave man, you know. if you would like to have a conversation,
the
have it.
Muslims
You know,
here.
no, it's not answering.
I know.
It's
You're
not
answering
answering
it's a good point.
Yeah, it's not answering anything. Man.
I know.
Two intelligent points I'm trying to make. All that they have in mind
Have a monologue,
is their
you know?
sexual
You're having a
maniac
monologue,
business,
monologue.
including this gentleman.
Monologue, you know,
Don't touch me.
You know,
Don't touch me.
Monologue.
Get what
From
from?
the Quran.
Are you Muslims?
Yeah,
sir?
yes, I am. Brother,
Okay. If you could maintain a bit of distance, please come here.
It doesn't allow us.
Let's have a conversation. Please come here, sir.
No,
If you want to have a conversation, please
Look how
come
many
here.
of you there is right now. So I'm not going to let you man touch him. That's the way it is.
Very simple.
That's the way. Just don't. No, you won't. You won't. I dare you to try then.
See what I'm saying?
Are you going to do it? I didn't think so. There you go. So let's keep it like that then. Let's keep it civil. Keep it civil. Have a conversation.
This is Speaker's Corner.
Like secret violence or
You
something.
don't want to do that. You don't want to
My dear Muslim friends,
No, I'm saying
this
no
is
one's going to
Speaker's
touch you.
Corner.
No one's going to touch you.
Al-Qaeda
It's Speaker's Corner.
Police.
No, but there's police over there.
Yeah, exactly. Yes. We're not,
So there's
we're
no
not-
When you get back home, you can get back to all your planning. While you are in Speaker's Corner, try to engage in a sensible manner. When you get home, have your Al-Qaeda ideas. But at Speaker's Corner, engage. Now the gentleman tried to ask, and let me tell you this very simply. Islam is a violent religion. This conclusion must be as clear
Second World War,
as
yeah.
daylight to anyone who understands basic English and who can pick up the Quran to read.
Huh?
Yeah, brother.
I believe in freedom of speech.
Yeah, so
Freedom of speech, I believe in.
this is good,
Yeah,
yeah?
what about me? Yeah.
You believe in everything he's saying, yeah? And the way he's speaking and how he speaks to
I haven't read the whole Quran, but if he's reading the Quran, I believe that that's coming from the Quran.
Where in the Quran saying that? Where?
What do you mean?
Are you defending a man that
Oh, no, brother, if 6 Christians circled you, I would defend you. No, it's about defending the person that's
Brother,
that's
it's not
getting
allowing
questioned by
anyone to
6
talk.
people.
So what do you defend him for? We would like to have a conversation.
If he was a rapist, he's not a rapist, he's a rule, bro.
what he's saying is
This is part of
No,
the
it's not.
problem we have in
He's
the
telling the
UK.
truth.
Muslims
How?
show up, they don't even know what criminality is
It depends what you mean by hatred.
and what
So
is
saying that
sensible
Islamic
critique is.
Saying blah,
They
blah, blah,
don't
Mickey
even
Mouse,
know
Allah,
the
and so on.
difference.
Is it okay for you, right?
It's
When
offensive.
they have
It's offensive.
So,
But his point was,
slavery gangs
he can speak
across the
point
UK,
was,
so they excuse us.
huh?
They don't see that as a
Yeah,
crime.
you're standing there like a
Why?
dummy, you're doing nothing about
Because
it.
it is Muslim
trying to speak
Ummah.
him, but like you're saying that
Habibis.
this is the way how
Yeah,
Who
but
do
that's
these
what I mean,
things?
like,
Okay, like-
it's
But when a Speaker's Corner person speaks here, they get offended. Why? Because critiquing is criminal in Islam. Sexually ravishing young girl children is acceptable. Music is criminal in Islam, but doing terrible things to non-Muslims and is perfectly acceptable. And this level of confusion is here in the UK.
Amen.
What have we imported, my dear friends? If there is a Muslim who understands what a crime is and what a crime isn't, I invite you. Are you Muslims, my dear friends? You Muslims, please come forward. People like you should step forward, peacefully have a conversation.
Yes, I'm here.
So let me ask you this very simply. You're familiar with Masjid al-Haram?
Yes.
Yep. Masjid al-Haram, for a simple introduction, was owned by non-Muslims at the time of the origin of Islam. Do you know how exactly the Muslims took over Masjid al-Haram?
Like they conquered,
They what?
Mecca, right?
They took over what didn't belong to them.
I don't think that's, you can put it one way, like, yeah, there
No,
can be
wait a
multiple
second.
ways to
If,
see it.
where do you live? Where do you live?
I mean, why does it matter?
Wherever you live, if you own your house,
Yeah,
if I come
yeah,
and conquer you
yeah,
and chuck you out,
yeah.
can I live in your house?
No, I don't think so.
Why not? Oh, I conquered you. Why not?
Because like there is a difference between a communal property and a personal property.
Sure.
Yeah.
So Masjid al-Haram
Yeah.
was a communal property of who?
The thing is, like over time, things change.
No,
and,
please
like,
tell me.
no,
Who communally owned Masjid
The
al-Haram?
Arab people that lived around it.
Who?
The polytheistic Arab people.
Yeah.
who lived
So it's like, you know, if you talk about a church, Christians own it. Yeah. If you talk about a Hindu temple, Hindus own it.
Yeah.
That's their communal ownership.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whether they were Arab or not is irrelevant. It's a religious group who own the property. Non-Muslims who own the property, which was called Masjid al-Haram.
Yeah.
Now, when can Muslims, how exactly, please stay quiet, how exactly did the Muslims take ownership of that property? Do you know?
No, the thing is, like, over time, you can say, like, one tribe owned it at one time.
Forget about the tribe.
No, the thing is, like,
No, no,
let me
forget about the tribe. You know, I made my point clear.
Letting me finish.
No, no,
The thing
but
is,
I
you're
moved
not
on from the
letting me-
tribe. I need to, you know,
Okay.
a religious group.
If you're
Please
not
listen.
letting me
Please listen.
finish,
No, no.
You're
I
not
would,
letting me finish.
I would let you finish, but don't repeat.
Are you listening me?
Okay, I have listened to you, but please stay focused. Okay. Please listen.
You're interrupting my
Please listen,
concept.
my dear friend. Please listen.
I mean, the thing is, you're
If
not-
English,
you're-
wow, you're ranting on right now.
No, the
Please.
thing is, like,
If English Christians own the church, can English Muslims suddenly say, "Hey, look, I am English. I'm going to take over the church"? Can they do it?
No.
Can they? So ethnicity is irrelevant. So don't forget. Ask this gentleman to ignore ethnicity and focus on the religious affiliation.
Yeah.
Non-Muslims owned Masjid al-Haram. Non-Muslims.
Muslim.
How exactly did the Muslims take over that place? Is the question that I'm asking right now.
During
those
Muhammad.
people became Muslims, right?
Who became Muslims?
Those non-Muslims became Muslims.
Show me an evidence where those non-Muslims became Muslims.
I mean, I don't have it with me. Like,
I'll show you evidence to the contrary.
yeah, sure.
Sure, sure.
I'll-
So I'll show you how exactly those non-Muslims became Muslims. Yeah. Surah At-Tawbah, Surah 9. He's a, you know, laughing hyena. Laughing. He will laugh with no reason. Suddenly, you know. But please, so ignore him. Stay focused right now. Surah At-Tawbah gives you details. Yeah. Surah At-Tawbah, Surah 9, Ayah 5. And when the inviolable months are passed, then kill the polytheists. Stay focused. I'm reading right now. Kill the polytheists wherever you find them.
Yeah.
Capture them.
Yes.
Besiege them.
Yes.
Sit and wait for them at every place of ambush. But if they should repent, establish prayer, and give zakah, i.e., if they become Muslims, let them go their way. This is how.
Yeah.
This is how Masjid al-Haram was taken over.
Yeah.
How? Listen, hey, whoa, listen. You didn't know. One second. One second. No, one second. I haven't finished. You earlier gave me some fancy story. If I didn't know the Quran, I would have thought, oh, maybe that is the case. You didn't know. At least you should have said, I don't know. Now I am telling you, showing you exactly how they took over. How did they take over? The ones, one second. The ones, they didn't become Muslims. They were besieged. They were captured. They were waited for in ambush. And they were killed. They were killed. Not laughing manner, my dear friend.
No.
We are talking about how evil your Islam is. Stay focused right now. So how did the Masjid al-Haram transfer from one hand to another? By terrible, evil violence. And it goes on, and of course it talks about in Ayat 7, how can there be for polytheists a treaty of Allah and His Messenger, except for those with whom you made a treaty except for those with whom you have a treaty at Masjid al-Haram. This is related to Masjid al-Haram. Now please clarify. I have given you details as to how it was taken over. Try your tricks now, please.
Okay, so the thing is, like, you mentioned all those ayah. Can you tell me, like, how many people were killed, or like how many were like
Let's say one,
faced
just one was killed. How does that help?
Can you, like, do you have any evidence one was killed?
Excuse me, my dear.
I mean-
Please listen carefully.
The thing is, like,
Please listen carefully.
Okay,
No,
let-
don't do okay. You asked me a
you're not-
question.
you're not
You
listening to
asked
me.
me a question.
Like,
You asked me a question.
You don't
Did
let
he ask
me
me a
finish.
question?
You don't let
Give
me
us the
finish.
evidence.
He
that one
asked me a
person-
question.
Give us the evidence.
I'm now responding. So once you've asked a question, because you are totally clueless, you couldn't give an answer. You've asked me, and now I'm going to clarify. Stop. Don't rant on, even if that's what you've read in your Dawa script. Don't do. Now, please listen. Now, so listen carefully. A building owned by non-Muslims is now changing ownership from the non-Muslims to the Muslims. And he earlier said, oh, because they changed, they converted.
Yeah.
They didn't convert. They were killed, ambushed, and terrible things happened to them.
Evidence.
You're not answering.
I'll repeat.
give
I'll,
any evidence.
clearly,
This is
two,
not a historical evidence.
oh, the Quran isn't a historical evidence. Are you a Muslim?
I'm not saying that.
Are you a Muslim?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm reading
saying
from the
this
Quran.
ayat
Hey, whoa,
does
whoa.
not
Excuse
show
excuse me, sir.
that anyone was killed.
Sure. Please
Ayat
listen.
does not show that anyone was killed.
Please listen.
Okay.
And when the inviolable months have passed, then kill the
You're just
polytheists.
repeating things. It doesn't matter.
Did you ask a
anyone was
question
killed.
earlier? Did the gentleman say something else after that? Did I listen to both and now beginning to respond?
Yeah, you're
and now you are
You're just
short-circuiting.
repeating things.
Yeah.
Okay, respond,
You-
respond.
that's how it would come across to you because you don't listen.
Okay.
You've asked a question. The gentleman made a comment.
Yeah,
Please,
respond,
for both of
respond.
you, I'm responding. Stay quiet.
Yeah,
Thank you.
respond.
When the environment, don't teach him. He's not going to learn anything which he hasn't learned so far in his life. So you, sir, you are utterly clueless anyway. So if you please, instead of hiding behind me,
I'm in
forward some
front
of
of you.
this is in front of me.
Yes, yes. Yeah, in front of you.
He is mentally ill. Can you see? Don't get help from him. He doesn't even know what my front is.
I know Surah Tawbah.
Oh yeah.
I know
You
the
see,
history of
you
Surah
see,
Tawbah.
he has a hearing issue also. I am saying he doesn't even.
believe in? How many guts? 3?
3-in-1 shampoo, yeah.
Seems funny, but you don't know the Trinity.
Now you can get back to your asylum. Thank you much. Before they chase you away, thank you. Before you lose your place, my dear friend, there are too many Muslims. Before you lose your place, please get back. Thank you much. To you, sir. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Please stay there. Thank you. Don't touch. So to you, sir, I want you to stay focused and stay focused on your Islamic Ummah.
Yes, go.
On the terrible attitude and the disposition that your Islamic Ummah, because you didn't let me speak so far.
Why are you talking about other things? Just respond to the question.
Why am I? Because of the clowns who are surrounding you. So thank
When
you,
you talk, speak for yourself, mate.
including you.
Speak for yourself.
And
clown, yes, clown.
so please listen. What was the attitude and the disposition? So far, only this gentleman. When he asks, he waits.
Don't shake his hand.
No, neither of you both.
Nothing wrong with
Don't be
shaking
with him.
hands.
Don't linger around with them for too long.
Yeah, but it's respectful to do that.
So
would
what
shake your
was
hand.
the
I would
attitude
shake your hand, man.
and the disposition that the Muslims
No,
took?
no, fair enough,
Please
fair
stay focused. When the inviolable months are passed, then kill the polytheists. This is proper Al-Qaeda material.
Yeah.
Wherever you find them, proper Taliban,
Yes.
ISIS, Al-Shabaab, Boko Haram material. This one. As a matter of fact, I would ask you to rename Islam in the UK. Forget about Islam. Just say the association of, the Grand Association of ISIS, Boko Haram, Al-Qaeda, what our Ummah follows. Please say that clearly.
KKK.
Yeah. He clearly hasn't gone beyond one alphabet in his entire life. Then kill the polytheists wherever you find them. Would you ever do this, sir?
Yes. When you
That's
come to
what
my
they did.
house,
Terrible.
When you come to
Why
my
would you
house,
ever
I'll
stand
kill you,
behind them?
yes.
You still haven't answered that question.
No, I'm going. Will you ever stand behind these people?
Answer the question.
No. Will you ever stand behind? I'm answering. I'm going step by step. Will you ever stand behind these people?
Which people? Which people?
The ones who are waiting to kill the owners of the
This is
Masjid
still not
al-Haram.
proof that this happened.
Excuse me, sir. If what's his name? Osama bin Laden is standing here with a bomb, and if I catch him, and if we want to put him in prison, would you stand here and say, oh, there is no proof that he planted the bomb? This is utter silliness. Would you see the attitude and the disposition of the mafia gang here? Do you see that? Or are your glasses not working here?
Oh no, insult. No, no.
I am here waiting to kill them,
On with this,
find them, capture them, besiege them, sit and wait for them at every place of ambush. Is this what you would do, sir?
Now you've asked the question, will you let me finish it?
Yes,
Or,
would you do this?
No, the thing is, now
I've
when
asked you, I let you.
Okay.
Would you do
okay.
this?
The thing is, did this happen? We asked you a simple
Would you
question.
do this? What has happened already, would you do?
We asked you a simple question. You don't have any evidence, anything happened, and you're just repeating things.
Now, let me ask you, he is a bit confused. Would you stand behind these people, waiting with their machetes? Would you stand behind them?
I can answer your question.
Sure, sure.
Once you answer the question that we've already asked.
Are you ashamed of this?
Again, you're like asking.
You are a
additional-
Muslim. How old are you?
Again, you're asking additional questions.
Sure, sure, sure.
We
You are a
want you
Muslim.
to-
How old are you?
That's not relevant. I'm saying
So, you're maybe 30s, 40s? How old are you?
that's irrelevant.
Irrelevant. So, must be in your 50s.
Sure.
So, the Muslim...
I'm saying answer the question that we've asked already.
My answer is here. My answer is already here. Because you are Muslims, please listen.
This is useful. Like we're gonna. leave
Because you are Muslims, you don't.
Conversation is
Yeah, sure, sure.
Yeah.
Because you are Muslims, you don't even see
Thank you for your time.
the nastiness which has come out.
Thank you for your
Don't ever stand behind these people.
Have a lovely day.
Don't stand behind these people. So look at these young Muslims. I read to them nasty work. Don't come near me, sir. Is that a, what is that? Don't come near. Don't come. No, don't come near. Don't come near. Don't come near.
I thought you want to
Don't
talk to
come
us.
near.
I thought you
Don't
want to
come
talk
near.
to
Don't
us.
come near. Thank you.
I thought you want to talk to Muslims.
For any non-Muslim, it would be obvious. What did I read? Surah Tawbah, Ayah 5.
When I come here, he said, no,
When the inviolable months are past, then kill the polytheists wherever you find them and capture them and besiege them.
Yes,
Look at them, yes, yes, yeah.
whoa, you go, whoa.
Besiege them, capture them, besiege them, and sit and wait for them at every place of ambush. But if they become Muslims, if they should repent, establish prayer, and give zakah, let them go on their way. For any non-Muslim, it should be clear that this is already criminality. Already. But 3 young Muslims showed up here, and they were too intelligent. They thought they caught me. And what was their intelligent response? Hey, show me where they killed him. Hey, show me where they killed him. Also, the machete gang would roam around with the machetes, and I should think they are there selling ice creams. This is the level of intelligence of the Muslims, the level of gaslighting of the Muslims. The terrorists walk around with the bombs, with their pressure cooker bombs, which sometimes just detonate and sometimes don't detonate, and therefore they have chosen themselves to be suicide bombers. And I should think they have come to set up a food bank, to prepare some hot food, to give people food using the pressure cooker. People who didn't have food. This is what I am supposed to think. The level of gaslighting of these Muslims. My dear friends, if you are a Muslim right now, if you are Muslims, it is time to leave Islam.
Wishful thinking, man.
With him, I understand it is wishful thinking. Look at him. Too long, too deep. Too confused. Earlier, he didn't even know what my front was. He was standing to my side and claimed he was standing in front of me. This is the level of... Please, stay quiet. Thank you very much. Is there a volume button somewhere? Thank you. Now, you're a Muslim, sir. You're not a Muslim. Have you left Islam already?
Yes.
Good, good. Muslims should leave Islam. Non-Muslims
All of them.
never entertain Islam.
Amen.
Islam is an evil cult.
A cult.
A murderous
The
death
church
cult.
is crumbling.
A very
Only the
nasty,
bird left in the church now.
Remember, he said he'll marry a 6-year-old, guys.
Yeah, I'll wait until I
There we go.